Hi, fourth graders. Mrs. Teamersma here. Welcome to Writing Club. I'm so glad you're here. I'm really excited about our new writing project. Last time I talked to you about picking your topic for your informational chapter book and dividing it into different chapters and making that table of contents. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your introduction really special to hook your reader and make them really want to read your whole book. So here we go, writers. So here's our learning target today. Today we are going to learn how to hook my reader to make your introduction really special. And here I'm going to teach you 3 different ways that you can do that. And then I've given you some examples. So the first way you can make your introduction really special is by painting a picture with words. So here's an example for American Revolution that I could choose that I wrote. So I'm just kind of painting a picture, like really describing what it would be like. So I say, imagine if you lived 250 years ago. There would be no cars, video games, or McDonald's. Your clothes would be different, your food would be different, and America did not even exist. We would have to obey the King of England. So, did that hook you and kind of give you an idea of what my chapter book is going to be about? And I think it hooked the reader. Okay, so first choice is paint a picture with your words. Second choice, this is a really a good option if you're not sure what to do, is ask a question. So this is a different topic. I just picked a different one just to show you some variety. So it says, have you ever gone swimming in the ocean and wondered if you would get attacked by a shark? Or have you wondered how big they grow or how sharp their teeth are? So that one just kind of asks the reader kind of what they know about their topic to kind of get them thinking about the topic. So I just added a few questions in there. Our third option for, I have to move this. There we go. The third option for writing an introduction is by telling a little story. I'm going to move myself up there. Okay. So whatever your topic is, you can make up a little story or add some interesting facts. So for this introduction, I did both. I made up this story and then I put some interesting facts to hook my reader. So this topic is about butterflies. The sun was shining, the birds were chirping, and I was sitting in my garden watching butterflies fly all around. It felt like I was watching a magical show with these graceful dancing butterflies. Did you know that there are more than 15,000 types of butterflies in the world? So hopefully that introduction will hook my reader and want them to learn more about butterflies. It gets their brain ready to think about the topic. Okay, writers, here is my book about the American Revolution, and here's my cover, which you should have done on Tuesday, and then here's my second page is the table of contents, and so far I have 6 chapters. I can always add more later, but I've been kind of rethinking this first one. I've been thinking that instead of saying all about the American Revolution, because that's really what the whole book is going to be about, I think I'm going to focus on how it started. So I'm going to just change it. And that's the great thing about working on Office 365 is you can always change your mind and do some revising. So how it all started, I think that's going to be my chapter 1. So here's chapter 1 down here. Oh no, how it all began. That's what I wanted to say. I'll change that later. It's fine. So, I want to make sure I have a really good introduction. And not just one sentence, but an introduction really needs to be a whole paragraph, to really get your reader into your topic. So I could use the one that I just showed you on that other page about painting a picture. Imagine what it would be like so long ago. But I think I'm going to try a question to get my readers thinking. So I'm going to write that a second, and then I'll show you what it looks like. So each of these chapters needs to have an introduction and a conclusion. So it's like you're writing a lot of small articles and then putting them all together. And you always have to have an introduction and an ending for each chapter. So right now, of course, we're focusing on introductions. And here's the introduction that I wrote for how it all began. And I chose asking a question for this introduction. Are you thankful to be an American? If so, you should thank the American Revolution. Without the American Revolution, we would still be under British rule and have to answer to the Queen. We would still have to pay taxes to Great Britain, and we would probably all be drinking tea just like they do in Great Britain. So that's my introduction to American Revolution and kind of the beginning of it. So, and I've already started thinking about the topics that I'm going to do. So hopefully you do more than just your introduction. Hopefully you're maybe already on the second chapter, but you can go back if you want to fix up your introduction for chapter 1. So you should be writing for at least 20 minutes a day, and then on Friday, then you need to share it with your teacher so we can read them, and we're excited to see what you're doing. So nice job. 4th graders, we are so proud of you, and we're just glad that you're working hard at home. Bye-bye.